The density of water is measured as ratio of mass to volume, and relative density is the ratio of density of substance to density of fresh water. The density of the water is measured using an instrument called marine hydrometer. It consists of a cylinder with a bulb on its lower end, containing mercury or lead shots to act as ballast to keep the instrument upright when floating. The density of salt water is 1.025. This means that 1 cubic meter of salt water has a weight of 1.025 tons. The density of dock water is 1.01. This means that 1 cubic meter of dock water has a weight of 1.01 tons. And the density of fresh water is 1. This means that 1 cubic meter of fresh water has a weight of 1 ton. Observe the shift in level of waterline when the ship sails from saltwater to freshwater. The change in the draft of the ship when it moves from saltwater to freshwater, or vice versa, is called freshwater allowance. Consider a ship sailing from freshwater to saltwater. You can measure the freshwater allowance for this ship in millimeters. It is given by the ratio of displacement of the ship in salt water and the product of the constant 4 and the tons per centimeter. Dock water is neither fresh nor salty, and its relative density is between 1 and 1.025 grams per cubic centimeter. When the ship moves from salt water to dock water, the change in the draft of the ship is called dock water allowance. When loading in dock water, the ship immerses its load line by the dock water allowance, so that when it goes to sea, the ship will rise to the appropriate load line. Dock water allowance is given by the ratio of the product of the fresh water allowance and the change in the relative density of the water divided by the constant 0.025 grams per cubic centimeter.